17. If tan A equals m over n, find the value of sine A, cos A, and sine A, cos A in terms of m and n. Well, guys, as I said earlier, anytime you have a can you put away all the filters? Thank you. Put it away. Okay, guys. N is on the bottom. M is here. Opposite over adjacent. Everybody happy with that? Because tan is opposite over adjacent. Figure out what the hypotenuse is. Hypotenuse squared equals m squared plus n squared. Let's call the hypotenuse x. X squared therefore equals m squared plus n squared. X therefore is the square root of whatever m squared plus n squared is. Okay? Now you have it done like this. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Now guys, sine A is opposite over hypotenuse, which is m over m squared plus n squared. Cos A equals n over m squared plus n squared. And then it asks to figure out what is sine A, cos A. So what is sine A multiplied by cos A? Well, it's going to be m times m squared plus n squared divided by n times m squared plus n squared. M by n, mn. And then finally on the bottom is going to be, anybody? M squared plus n squared 2b squared. That's it. Who got that out? Anybody? Sorry? Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Square root sign. I forgot the square root sign. So technically it's the square root multiplied by the square root. So it's just going to get rid of the square sign. So that's it there. Good spot. Okay? So guys, please, I forgot to put in the square root sign up here. That was the problem. Had it over there, but didn't put it over here. Okay, guys, that's it there. Any questions? No, we're good. Okay, guys. Next one. Use the right angle triangle to show that cos 90 minus A equals sine A. Sine 90 minus A equals tan 90 minus A sine A. Now, guys, once again, just get a right angle triangle. Label something A, and then think of three letters, P, M, and N. Doesn't matter what your letters are. Alternatively, you could use A, B, C, probably the better version of it, wouldn't it really? A, B, C. C, A on the bottom?
You already have it.
Oh, A is already a letter, so probably not best idea after all.
X, Y, Z.
Yeah. X, Y, Z. Okay, guys, shh, stop there. Now, guys, cos A, this one then has to be 90 minus A, doesn't it? Yeah. So what we got right down is what's cos 90 minus A? What is the angle cos 90 minus A? It's going to be Y over X. And then finally, what's sine A? Sine A is Y over X. Sorry?
Same.
They're the same. It's alright. Okay. Y over X, okay? So, do you understand that according to the angle A, Y is the opposite, X is still the hypotenuse. According to the angle 90 minus A, Z is the opposite and Y is the adjacent. That's why they're both the same as each other. Now coming into this one, we already know that sine 90, what is sine 90 minus A? Anybody? Sine 90 minus A? Sorry? Z over X is correct. What's tan 90 minus A? Z over Y, opposite over adjacent. And what's sine A? Sine A? Y over X. Shh. Guys, Y cancels with the other Y. Z over X equals Z over X. Hence, this is true. Okay.